Hello, Subject Qoosh. Welcome to Q Science Labs. Please eat the warp candy at the end of the chamber. No need to fear for your safety. It might be completely safe. Probably. You didn't explode. Good. We look forward to making science out of you. Certain scientific facilities only offer cake after testing is over. But at Q Science, we offer candy in every chamber. Oh, by the way, I can destroy you at any time solely for my own amusement. What? You didn't think that was funny? Oh, you probably don't have feelings, though. That's good data. Are you still upset about me destroying you in that last chamber? Well, I guess you might be upset if you had feelings. Okay, now for some more difficult tests. By now, you are accustomed to using your warp ability. You shouldn't have gotten so attached. If you hold down your warp power, you'll see something really cool happen. Slow motion is very useful for timing challenges. Did you know your mother was a test subject here too? Isn't that nuts? Watching you reminds me of how much better a tester your mother was. Those boxes also remind me of your mother. Rest her soul. Right after you were born, your mother asked me if you would grow up to be a good subject like her. I told her, yes. I was wrong. We are trying to get the test chambers after this one approved, but the government thinks they are too cruel. I think I'll try telling them you don't have feelings. Slow motion is suggested for this upcoming drop. Not yet gotten those new chambers approved, so this will be the last chamber. Just incautiously walk over the bridge without any hesitation or dread. Oh no, how could this happen? You have been accidentally dropped into the new test chambers. Don't worry, the new test chambers are only mildly dangerous. Since you aren't supposed to be in these new chambers, the rulebook says I'm supposed to extract you. But hold on. But I just penciled in an exception that says I can ignore this rule for science. That's great news, isn't it? Candy makes you fat, so you'll have to do some exercise for it. You must destroy the turrets in each room to proceed. And I know how much you enjoy destroying expensive turrets for no reason. It looks like the turrets in this room are taking their break, so they will not be shooting at you. How unfortunate. Estimated damage to... Oh, hello there, Mr. Smith. Thank you for taking the time to evaluate our new chambers. As you can see, our subject has suffered minimal physical and emotional trauma. Probably because he doesn't have feelings. Excuse me. Oh, my, let's discuss this with the microphone off. We don't want to bother our subject while he is busy being science. Whoa, don't press that button, Mr. Smith! Look at what you've done, you barbarian! You destroyed the emergency warp distance limiter! This will take forever to fix! Just listen, Mr. Smith. Qoosh Science Labs has made the largest advancements in science of the last century. Can you really, in good conscience, shut us down? Who cares about the methods? Just look at this beautiful data. See how it shimmers under the fluorescent light. Marvelous data. Yes, it's true that I've destroyed the subject when it was not part of the test. But who could resist? Look, the button's right there. lab down. But we still have time for one last test. I feel like we bonded. Like Skinner to his rats. That's the bond we share, I think. Sometimes I put you in a box and feed you. Other times that box has an electrical current, but we all learn. And that's what matters. Skinner loved his rats. At least I think he did. Actually, he probably didn't really care. But like us, Skinner sometimes had to quantumly deconstruct his rats because his lab got shut down by the government. And the results of those tests were incredibly conclusive. Lab rats and blobs might feel either very light or very intense pain while undergoing quantum deconstruction. Well, thanks for being such good science.